Good morning. Namaste. How are you all children? Hope you all are doing good. Your Sandhya teacher is back again. I learned about vertical line and horizontal line from our previous videos. And also you have learned how to trace in the salt. Yes, very good. Now today we are going to learn how to write vertical line and horizontal line in the notebook and in the textbooks, in the practice books, the notebook and in the practice books. But before you write in the notebook and in the practice books, you need to do a lot of practice in the slate. A small note to the parents. Kindly help your child by drawing the 4 lines on the slate. Give a lot of practice on the slate. And make sure your child writes in the notebook and practice book in your presence. How to write on the slate. Now I am going to show you how to write on the slate. On how many lines will you write the vertical line? On the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. On the 3 lines, we will write the vertical line. Let me show you. Take a piece of chalk paste and write on the 3 lines. Vertical line. 1, 2, 3. On the 3 lines. One more time I am showing you. 1, 2, 3. On the 3 lines. Vertical line. Okay children. Now next children, we'll learn the horizontal line. How to write the horizontal line. You can see the horizontal line is written on the 3rd line. 1, 2, 3. On the 3rd line, we'll write the horizontal line. From left to right on the 3rd line. 1, 2 and 3. On the 3rd line, horizontal line. From left to right in a sleeping position. You can see one more time I am showing you. 1, 2, 3. On the 3rd line, horizontal line. From left to right, horizontal line. Now next children, we will learn the literacy practice book 1. Now I am going to show you in this practice book how to write in this practice book.
Now in this is your literacy practice book 1. In this literacy practice book 1, take out the page number 3. In this page number 3, you can see trace and pattern, vertical line. On the dots you need to write vertical line. Slowly keep the pencil on the dot and write vertical line. One more time I am showing you vertical line. Again here dots are there. You need to join these 2 dots. Keep the pencil on the dot and slowly come down. Vertical line. Again one more time I am showing you. Keep the pencil on the dot. Slowly come down. Vertical line. Again one more time I am showing you. Keep the pencil on the dot. Slowly come down. Vertical line. Now down you can see horizontal line. You can see horizontal line. On the dots I am writing. Slowly write on the dots. Horizontal line. One more time I am showing you. Slowly you can write on the dots. Horizontal line. Again down dots are there. You need to join these 2 dots. Horizontal line. Now again these 2 dots you need to write. Horizontal line. Now again in the same way. Horizontal line. One more time. In this way you need to write the full page. Vertical line and horizontal line.
Next, this is your literacy book 1. In this literacy book 1, I will show you how to write vertical line and horizontal line. This is your literacy book 1. Literacy book 1. In this literacy book 1, take out the page number 12. You can see, take out the page number 12. In this page, you can see vertical line and horizontal line. Vertical line, you can see I am writing on the dots. Take the pencil, keep on the dot and trace on the dots. Come down. Again keep the pencil on the dot and slowly bring it down. Now again one more time I am showing you. Keep the pencil on the dot and slowly come down. Now again here dots are there. You need to join these two dots. Keep the pencil on the dot and bring it down in a slanting position slowly. Now you can see horizontal line. Keep the pencil on the dot and write in a sleeping position. Write in a sleeping position. You need to trace on the dots. You can see these two dots you need to join. Horizontal line. Now again one more time. These two dots are there. You need to join. Horizontal line. Horizontal line. In this way you need to write vertical line and horizontal line. Notebook. After practicing in the slate and in the textbooks, in the practice books, you need to write in this notebook. And set the notebooks in this way. Set the notebook in this way.
This is a notebook of the child. The left side heading vertical line and with the ruler vertical line in the dotted form. And again in the right side say and write heading. The parent can write the date on which day the child is writing. On the three lines vertical line, vertical line. Divide the page into half. You can keep the dots on the first line and the third line to avoid confusion for the child. In this way the child needs to write full page. And next page, turn the page, horizontal line on the left side of the page, horizontal line in the dotted form with the ruler. Again in the right side, say and write heading. Divide the page into half. The parent can write date on which day the child is writing. And horizontal line on the third line. In this way, and the parent can keep the dots, two dots, to avoid confusion for the child. In this way, the child needs to write full page.
So children, this is your notebook. In this notebook, you need to write very neatly. Okay children, and this is your vertical line. You need to draw on these dots with the crayon, any color crayon. You can use any color crayon. And you can see here vertical lines are there. Dots are there. You need to write vertical lines. Just see. Now 1, 2, 3. On the 3 lines, vertical line. Keep the pencil on the first dot and bring it down. Vertical line. And again, keep the pencil on the first dot. Bring it down. Vertical line on the 3 lines. One more time I am showing you children. See, vertical line. Now one more time I am showing you children. Vertical line on the 3 lines. See, one more time I am showing you. Vertical line on the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 on the 3 lines. Okay children, now you can see one more time. Vertical line. You need to keep pencil on the dot and bring it down. In this way you need to write the whole page. Now next, if you turn the page, you can see horizontal line. And you need to trace on the dots with any color crayon. And you can see the horizontal lines. Okay children, I will show you how to write now. Keep the pencil on the dot and write in a sleeping position. Horizontal line on the third line. 1, 2, 3. On the third line, horizontal line. You need to join these two dots. One more time I am showing you children. You need to join these two dots. Horizontal line. Again one more time I am showing you. horizontal line. Okay, children. Now again 1, 2, 3. On the third line, you need to join these two dots. Horizontal line. This is called horizontal line. Now again, children, horizontal line. Keep the pencil on the dot and drag the pencil in the sleeping position. Horizontal line. Draw a line. Okay, children. So hope you have understood about vertical line and horizontal line. Thank you.